Hello everyone, so what we have here today is a 2015 MacBook Pro, and what we will be doing is restore prior to selling the computer. And I just wanted to show you the process that you would want to go through in order to clean your hard drive and reset the system to be able to sell it to a user or a buyer without the fear of your personal information being out there, and also just giving them a better user experience when they do start up the computer for the first time. So without ado, let's get in there. So before beginning this whole process, you will want to make sure first that you are plugged in with a charger. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And then when you go to boot up the system, you want to select Command and the R button. Sorry, I'm a little bit out of focus here using one hand, but you want to use Command and R when you boot up the system before pressing power. And then once you get to the OS X utilities, just like you see here, you will want to make a couple of adjustments before simply running the reinstall of OS X. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that. So once you have booted up by holding Command R at the same time as powering on, you'll see the Mac symbol come up. Let go of Command R, just let it boot up. You will get to this OS X utilities window. Now first what you want to do is select the disk utility. What I've noticed several times, and hit continue, and what I've noticed several times is what ends up happening is if you try to do just a simple reinstall, it actually doesn't work right away. And that's because it sees the old image and it just tends to reverse and go back for some reason to the old operating system. So what you want to do first, select your boot drive, which in this case is the Mac SSD, and click Erase. And once you hit Erase, you can change the name, you can do all sorts of stuff in here. Really not much you have to do, just go ahead and hit Erase. Now again, this deletes all of your data, so make sure that you know what you're doing before you get to the step. So we'll go ahead and select Erase. It says preparing, unmounting, and it looks like it has gone through the process and we now have a fresh drive. So let's go ahead and go back. All you have to do is hit the little X, and now we can select reinstall OS X, hit continue, and there's a few little steps that you'll have to go through. You'll have to check your eligibility, so make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi signal to be able to do the rest of this, as Apple likes to make sure that the laptop is not stolen or reported on some sort of database, so they do verify this sort of information. So go ahead and hit continue if you're on Wi-Fi. You'll have to accept an agreement, agree, and just select the hard drive where you want it to go. In this case we only have one in this laptop, and then hit install. And so basically what will happen from this point on, it will download the latest version of OS X, and what we'll see is it might take a little bit of time to download the whole operating system, any additional updates that go with it, and things of that nature. Once that is completed, what will occur is it will reformat the hard drive, it will download and install the latest portion of the operating system on that hard drive, and everything will be fresh. So when you are greeted on the next screen, all you will see is, hey, continue next to setup, choose your language, choose your country, and so on and so forth. At that point it's pretty self-explanatory, and that's at the stage that you can give it to your buyer. So all in a nutshell, that is how you erase your data and reinstall OS X to be able to present it to a buyer or somebody else in a secure fashion. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate any thumbs up or likes that you can do. If you find somebody that you can share this with and they find this information helpful, please do so as well. And we appreciate your time and patience for watching with us. Thank you.